Hi, I'm at the Carmel Market in Tel Aviv, and today I want to eat one of the national dishes in Israel, Shakshuka.
The Carmel Market in central Tel Aviv is a must-see when visiting Tel Aviv. It's in the middle of life, loud, colorful, fragrant, stunning and just intoxicating. Here Israel shows itself from the oriental side. Vendors call out their prices, locals shop here, colorful bazaar activity in the middle of Tel Aviv. All this makes the market very authentic. The market offers everything your heart desires: fruits, vegetables, olives, clothes, souvenirs, spices and much more. And to top it off, Carmel Market is a paradise for street food lovers. It looks like this is the place with the highest percentage of street food locations per square meter in Israel. There is a dizzying array of options what to eat. At the bureka stand you can eat extremely tasty bureka, or at Pita Panda you can enjoy a fantastic Tunisian ceviche. There are so many temptations and it's hard to choose just one. As I said, my plan this day was to eat a shakshuka. My only shakshuka so far was about 10 years ago and I didn't really like it. I decided it's time to give Israel's national dish another chance. So no hot dogs. Anyway, that's not what I want on a Middle Eastern market. Granite apple juice? Okay, yes, but maybe later after the food. I've already tried the potato twister. It's great street food. I made a video about it, link above if you want to see it. So where did I eat the shakshuka? I kept walking to this food stand. I saw people eating shakshuka here. These three guys have shakshuka on the table. This couple too. The stand was also well attended and both a good sign to go here. So I went inside and this was the view from my seat at the bar. What actually is shakshuka? A vegetarian dish in a pan that Israelis love to eat for breakfast with eggs in a flavorful tomato sauce with peppers, onions and fresh herbs. You will see it in a moment. The menu was full of Greek dishes. Of course, I was here at the Greek, and there were two shakshuka dishes on the menu: house shakshuka and the Greek shakshuka. I ordered the house with a lager beer, and I told the waiter to make the shakshuka a bit spicy. Wow, looking good, no?
תודה רבה.
It came along with the pepperoni and toasted white bread. Hey, where's the beer? The tomato sauce is commonly made with salted onions, peppers and garlic, along with spices such as cumin and cayenne pepper. However, there are countless variants, but it always comes with poached eggs. And then I got really excited. Shakshuka for the first time in 10 years. How would I like it? I tried the tomato sauce first and I didn't have the wow effect. And it was not spicy at all. Then I tried the egg. Okay, just a fried egg. I couldn't decide yet how it is. Now together with tomato sauce and egg. Yes, that was much better. I would say good. For me, not an absolute feast for the palate, but definitely good. What I missed about the tomato sauce was a certain special taste and spiciness. So together with the hot chili, the egg and the tomato sauce, it was better for me then. Now my conclusion after I finished the meal. It was good. I can eat shakshuka, but I missed the wow effect that I love so much, especially with the first bite. And this shakshuka wasn't spicy enough for me either. I intend to try again at another place to have a comparison, and next time, before I go, to do some research to find the most recommended shakshuka in Tel Aviv. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe.